How to change color of captions on YouTube on iPhone. All phones show subtitles in a similar format, white text on a black background with varying opacity. What if somebody wants to change the color of captions on some apps such as YouTube? How does one do that? On your iPhone, tap on Settings, then go to Accessibility. Tap on Subtitle and Captioning. Tap on Style. Choose your subtitle type from the given options or tap on Create New Style to customize according to your preference. Let's create a new style. On a new style, you can set up most of the stuff like fonts, opacity, size, color, and much more. Do your own style. After you finish, just go back to the previous menu. Let's test this on YouTube. You see now the subtitles have the style I set up. This is how you change the color of your caption on iPhone. If this was useful, please like and share and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.